Before we start building our FrameworX application, we'll have a quick look at the database that's going to be representing this application. So on server 1, I have a database called HR. If we have a look inside that database, this is very simple. We'll see there's an employees table with a number of fields. It even includes a field for a photo image that can be stored with this employee data. It's not always a good idea to store images in a database, but it can be done. And then more importantly, our database contains 3 stored procedures to respectively select, add, and update employee information. If we were to have a look at these stored procedures, we would see that the stored procedures themselves, in this case, are incredibly simple. FrameworX really doesn't care what happens inside this stored procedure as long as it selects data in a consistent manner. The complexity inside the stored procedure could be very simple, as in this case. It could also be very complicated depending on your particular use case. Likewise, the add action in this case will be very straightforward. It's going to take your parameters from FrameworX and insert them into the employee table. And likewise, the update statement would be taking parameters and updating the entry in the employees table where ID equals @ID.